Why would you want to use video on social media? Of course, you can do it only for your personal use, but you can also do it to reach more clients, for instance, if you are a freelancer, or if you have something to sell, or if you want to show what your small business is doing. Video and social marketing is a sort of word-of-mouth advertising. It's a modern way of doing this. People telling each other, hey, this is interesting, take a look at this because this is something you might like. That's one of the biggest benefits of social media. That's completely different from, for instance, if you have your videos embedded on your website. It's much more interactive. First of all, they can, of course, share the video if they found it interesting enough, but they can also like your favorite videos. They can retweet them if it is a tweet that you send out with video. They can comment on it. So there are much more ways to interact with the people you are reaching out to. We have 4 platforms that we are going to teach. The first one is Facebook, the second one is Twitter, the third one is YouTube, and the fourth one is LinkedIn. What is special about Facebook? Facebook is really a place to engage your friends and customers and to encourage them to share your content. But if people are scrolling their newsfeed and they see something playing, they might click on it, and you want them to stop at your message and take a look. It is an enormous big platform. There has been more than 1 billion video views on Facebook each day. Each day. That's a reason to be on Facebook with your videos. Why Twitter? Twitter is very much about what's happening now. If you have a new product, or if you have something to celebrate, or if you have an offer that you want to make, do it with a tweet and do it with a video tweet. Video will let you stand out on Twitter. Now, why YouTube? Each of these platforms are different animals. First of all, it's a very good search engine. It's after Google the second largest search engine where people are looking. So you have traffic, you just have to be sure that they find you. YouTube is a place to build an audience, to establish yourself as an expert in your field. They don't want to watch ads, or they don't want to be sold to. They want to watch content that's useful to them. So it would be great to make a series of how-to videos or other videos that are providing content that your viewers can use directly. And they might subscribe you and you will get a bigger audience. Finally, LinkedIn is the world's largest professional network online. Very special animal again. Mostly used for B2B, dus business to business. Only use it in a serious way. If you want to reach out to other professionals, be professional. You can differentiate yourself on the platform by using video. You can make, like we do in this course, a video about yourself to present yourself as a video business card, but you can also make small videos. If you have events or if your company is doing something special, you can place a video too on LinkedIn. Let's get started.